أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our father, the President-elect, Baba Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Honorable Speaker, House of Representative, my brother, Femi Bajamiamila, our host, the performing governor, Governor Nelson Wike, and my sister, our wife, our friend, and member of the G5 Plus, the governor of Oyo State, the governor of Ebonyi State, also G5 Plus, my friend, the governor of Kwara State, Abdurrahman, our leaders, the ranking governors here present. I start with our leader, Chief Peter Odley, and my leader, my sister, Justice Mary Odley. Our leader, James Ibori, and my sister, his wife. My immediate boss, the chairman, the former chairman of Governor's Forum, the former governor of Ekiti State, Kayode, our leader in the ranking, Governor Faishe, or Apabio, Governor Apabio, Governor Silva, our leader and father, Chief Bisi Akande, the governor-elect and his wife, distinguished senators here present, I skip my big brother, Adams Oshimole, with apology. He's also a ranking member. I know it's not always, only senators are ranking members. In the governors, we have ranking too. So I apologize before. I will soon join the club. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, it is indeed my pleasure to be asked to say a few words here. So I would like to thank most sincerely Governor Nelson Wike on behalf of our father, President-elect Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for doing so many things. First, giving us the encouragement when we start this movement. 2, creating trouble for the other faction. 3, helping us and encouraging us always. 3rd, and the most important one, for keeping to his promise. Is a gentleman to the core. Is a man of his word, and believe me, a man of courage. I salute you. When he said he will deliver rivers to APC, I started wondering how. APC have never made 25% in rivers. How can this man pull this magic? I've been sent around the country supervising and helping election. And I know how election management is. Then as we speak and we continue to talk, I see the possibility of him keeping to that promise. But then I started wondering, I hope this man will not injure himself in the process. Of course, our mission is the bigger one. The presidency can accommodate whatever risks he took, but I still feel if he's delivering president and he has senators and members of House of Representatives and also governor in PDP, how is he going to swing this? And true to God, the man delivered. I'm still imagining how. Most of us in APC know that I go to almost all the elections in the country, and I supervise a lot of elections, and we do believe we are good in calculating and managing elections. But Wike has beaten me hands down. We thank you most sincerely for keeping to your words, for giving us that victory. And we thank you for yet inviting Daddy today for this occasion. Because I believe this will further cement the relationship between President-elect and the Rivers people. We have been welcomed. We have seen the tremendous support on the road. People shouting, cheering our father. It really touched our hearts. And we believe with very good leaders, everything is possible. Because I believe this is because of the tremendous respect the Rivers people have for the governor. And he is able to tell them, both president here, both senate here, how do you call it in the language here? It's really amazing. So this has charged us and encouraged us to do good things for our people. Because when you do good, you harvest good. Nelson, you have done well, and that is why you can stand tall and tell your people to do what we call in the north wake de shinkapa. You know, rice and beans. And we really have seen it today with the cheers we receive around the city, around River State. It's amazing. So we thank you most sincerely. I want to also use this opportunity to thank our father for believing in us, for believing in this relationship, because he continued to encourage us to talk to Wike, to talk to the G5. And that is why we have the G5 Plus, because the G5 is now mixed with PDP and some APC governors also. So thank you very much, Daddy, for encouraging us, for giving us the opportunity to cement that relationship and give us time whenever we want to see you to discuss these issues. We thank you most sincerely. And again, for most of us that follow you today, we thank you very much for bringing us here. Wike has taken very good care of us. We have eaten a very nice lunch, been treated fine, and we have seen the kind of development that Rivers people enjoy. So we thank you, sir. Above all, we thank you for keeping your promise, because I have seen the tremendous workload and people lining up to see you. But you keep your promise. You created time, not for one day, but for 2 days. And most of us governors there are gossiping, being jealous. Daddy start with Rivers. How about Jigawa? Makinde will say, Minko. So we thank you for keeping to this promise, because is why we stand by you, and that is why we believe in you, because we know when you say yes, it's always yes. So we thank you on behalf of the governors for honoring Wike with this visit. But we make a deal in the afternoon, and you say the next one is Jigawa, and I'll be expecting that visit soon. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming.